I'm say, hey, the fretting up of the hair are flexing.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jalisa, the alien in the room, and today's video is actually a re-upload video of a video that I posted last month, like the beginning of August, and I have to re-upload this video because there has been some changes to the instructions for the giveaway. So I didn't really know what the giveaway instructions were going to be when I last uploaded that video. That's my bad. Now I have the correct information, so I really needed to make sure that I re-uploaded and changed the intro and changed the outro so you guys would have the accurate information on how to win a teeth whitening kit for yourself. Otherwise, the video is completely the same. I may have cut it down just a little bit, you know, for time's sake. May have cut some scenes out, but otherwise the video is exactly the same, but the only thing that has changed are the instructions and the details on the giveaway. So stay tuned to learn more about my teeth whitening experience and the new updated giveaway instructions. And today's video is going to be all about my teeth whitening experience with Smile Brilliant. They are so white now, it's crazy. I want to thank Smile Brilliant for actually sending me this kit and reaching out to me and being so patient with me, because it kind of did take me a very long time to make this video. Like, my schedule, there was a lot going on. So I want to thank them for being patient with me and for even reaching out to me to partner with me and make this video that we have right now. I'll be showing you how you make your teeth trays, how you actually brighten your teeth, and the results that I had from the very first time I did it to now. My teeth are shiny, pearly white, and I can't wait to take this with me to Barbados and continue to whiten my teeth. But they look pretty good. You can't see what it looks like.
So here's how my package came. It came in this box, and it all packaged inside was everything I was going to need to make my teeth trays. You basically have 3 catalysts and 3 bases, and you also have your teeth trays for your top teeth and your bottom teeth, as well as some teeth whitening gel and desensitizing gel. So basically, with the amount of catalysts and bases that you receive in this package, you basically only have one extra try to get it right. Your front teeth, your top teeth, your bottom teeth, and then if you mess up on either one of those trays, you get one extra shot. So here I'm just showing you the process of combining the base and the catalyst.
You ready? Start.
You have about 1 minute to combine the blue and white into one solid blue mixture. I will say that this process was a little difficult for me. Like, I definitely went over the 3 tries or the 1 extra try that I was given. I actually sent in my teeth trays, and one of them, the bottom teeth, weren't done correctly. So I actually had to do that all over. So I would suggest, make sure that you follow the directions. The directions can be a little confusing at times. I would definitely say just make sure that you bite down, because the directions kind of say don't, but I would say bite down a little bit just so you can really get your teeth firmly in the mold.
Okay, 30 seconds.
When that minute is up, you have 30 seconds to get it into the tea trays properly, smoothen out, get rid of all the little nooks and crannies. You want to make sure that it's really within those holes that you see within the tea tray. And then you want to firmly place them on your teeth for 3 minutes or more, however long you feel it takes for the mold to really start settling on your teeth and to really make an impression. I'm thankful that Smile Brilliant reached out to me when they did, because I was literally about to buy a teeth whitening kit from, I saw it on the Wendy Williams show, and I just wanted my teeth whiter. So I was about to buy one, and lo and behold, 2 days later, they reached out to me. So it was really a coincidence at the moment.
Okay, now.
So after about a month or so. It really did take me long, as I told you in the beginning, because of my schedule, and it was hectic going back and forth with the tea trays. But I finally did receive them, and I was so amazed by the fact that it was such a snug fit. I can look at the tea trays and see that they look like my teeth. That was really weird. Like, I didn't expect them to look like my teeth, and I can see my teeth in them. So it was a really snug fit, surprisingly, which was great, because then it makes it feel like you're not wearing anything at all. And there's what the needle looks like. I was really surprised because I wasn't expecting a needle. And you just want to make sure that you apply a thin layer to the front of the teeth, the part of the teeth that's actually going to need the teeth whitening. You don't want to apply it to the back of your teeth. The first time that I did this process, I waited only an hour because I wasn't sure if my teeth weren't going to be sensitive to the process. So I was really concerned about that. So I only did it for an hour. I usually like to do it for 2 hours, 3 hours. I think they are snug, but I always find myself clenching my teeth more when they're in. So I can kind of only do 3 hours at a time because I drive myself crazy clenching my teeth. They've definitely included a generous amount of teeth whitening gel and desensitizing gel. I haven't used the desensitizing gel at all. I found that every time that I've teeth whitened so far, my teeth have felt completely fine after the teeth whitening gel. I've only used one needle, and I haven't even used the entire needle yet, and I still have some teeth whitening left in that one needle. So imagine a pack that comes with 3 teeth whitening gels, I believe. But here are the results after only one use, and I felt like I saw a huge difference after even the first time. I was a little amazed because I was like, is this in my head or not? Like, did this really work? Did this really whiten my teeth? I showed my mom and I showed my boyfriend, and they both said it looked whiter. After that, it's just been getting wider and wider, and this outro or this intro that you're seeing is after 3 times using it only. So only used it 3 times and my teeth are already so white. And I'm really happy with the results. I'm really pleased. I feel like my teeth are whiter, and I'm being very careful not to drink like dark coffee or anything that can really stain it. And this next shot is from my iPhone, so excuse me if the quality is a little bit more poor than it was before, but this is after 5 uses of the Smile Brilliant Teeth Whitening Kit, and my teeth are beaming. And trust me, I'm not even close to the diva ring at this point. I just wanted to show you from far away how it looks, and I wanted to show you how it looks while I'm in the bathroom under natural lighting. As you can see in these clips, I'm kind of freaking out about how white they look. Like, I'm kind of now realizing just how white they really are. I just want to highly recommend this to all of my subscribers, my readers, my followers. This Smile Brilliant Teeth Whitening Kit is amazing. Amazing.
Okay, so you made it to the end of the video, so now it's time to go ahead and talk about the giveaway instructions and details. I'm going to read it off of my phone because it's very detailed and I want to make sure you guys have everything. And as always, it will always be in the description box of this video, any updates or corrections. And there will be also posted within a blog post that accompanies this YouTube video, so you can check that out down below in the description box and on my website at alienindaroom.com. And that's a duh with the DA. Yeah, you got it. If you want to see the pictures and pause and look at everything, and if you just want to read what my blog is about. And here we go. So first things first, there is a 15% off coupon code for you guys, and it is alienindaroom15. Okay, so you can use that code to get 15% off on any of the products that are on Smile Brilliant's website. Next, my giveaway link will possibly be across the screen or also in the description box. It is smilebrilliant.com/g/alienintheroom. This giveaway is for $149 Smile Brilliant credit. It is open for 2 weeks, 14 days after I post this video right now, and it is open to USA, UK, Australia, and Canadian residents. And Smile Brilliant will actually post the giveaway on their website, so you don't have to worry about people stealing your information. All you have to do is enter your email address on Smile Brilliant website, using my giveaway link, and there you'll be entered into the giveaway contest. So thank you so much for watching, liking, thumbs up, commenting. I'm sorry that I had to re-upload it, but with this new information, this is what you're going to need to get your own teeth whitening kit. And it's very simple. It's a lot more simple than the giveaway instructions that I gave you before. So go ahead and enter, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.